Yo, happy Halloween, man. It's actually kind of feels like Halloween got to us really quickly this year. I don't know why, but that means that we have 2 more months left in this year, which is also crazy to consider. But the reason why I think I titled this video, obviously, I'm making this video, so I haven't titled it yet, but I'm assuming my title is something along the lines of like the hardest thing to do in trading or something like that. And today I had to use a lot of wrestling, not really much wrestling. I'm kind of exaggerating here to draw this out because today was a boring day, but a lot of debating whether I should trade it or not trade today. And I stumbled across the answer of no trading. And the reason for that being NFP tomorrow, I believe. Let's pull that up. Right, we have non-farm. I don't know if that's the real deal or not tomorrow, but we have that. Today is October 31st. That means that tomorrow is the 30 or the 1st, right? And that means that this monthly candle expires in 5 hours. So this is the end of the monthly candle. A lot of times at the end of the month, you see some wild stuff happen with the candles. We have been kind of consolidating on this weekly. And if you guys notice this daily candle, I mean, we have been just chopping range bound on the daily here, just no fair value gaps anywhere. And we are getting our first real displacement candle for a long time. I really want to see these lows get hunted now. And if these lows get hunted, who knows what could happen tomorrow. But yeah, my point being is that I decided to stay out of the market today. And why I titled this along the lines of this is the hardest thing to do is because it's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do for my model, my strategy, kind of how I trade, what I'm looking for, where I have probability in the market. I went into the day with a bearish bias. I wanted to see Asia high maybe get swept and go lower. Obviously, it doesn't have to sweep Asia high. We end up just selling off open. But I did want to see lower price. And what did we actually end up getting? This is a 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute off open right here. We trade down instantly. And when I saw this move down and we took out all the objectives to the downside, I then locked my account, went to paper because I was planning on going to paper anyways. But the fact that we had ran all these lows off open. We ran the main low I was targeting around here, I'm pretty sure. Like really close off open. But I do want to note this chart here. We tap into this 15-minute fair value gap. I don't normally triple box like it's red zone on my trading. I don't normally do that, but today I decided to do the three boxes so I could see. And I kind of liked it just when I was tape reading. I didn't really I wouldn't normally trade like this because it's just a little bit crowded for my liking, but I like to see how price would kind of play and how the candles form. It kind of gave me some cool insights. So we had this 15-minute fair value gap. We ended up coming up, tapping this 15-minute fair value gap, which is also this 5-minute high, which is in this 5-minute fair value gap, right? We tap the 5-minute, we trade lower. And then we tap the 15-minute here, which is also, again, a sweep on the 5-minute. We inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, and this is actually a 1-minute gap. Right here, we inverse, and then we trade to this low, and then we stall, and then we trade down to the lowest low, and I'll kind of go over what that was. But yeah, the reason why it's such a hard day to trade for me personally is because we open up here, right? I'm bearish. I expect us to draw to this low, and then this low, which we do get. But whenever we take out this low with no entry and we go straight down, I'm no longer interested because we took out overnight low and we took out a key level over here. So I really wasn't trying to get too involved there. Maybe I could have, we had the draws to the new week gaps, which is also another thing that lined up here. We trade back into new week gap and a fair value gap and dump lower. But today I was more than happy to sit on the sidelines. But why do I say it's difficult to do that? Well, because one, it's not as fun, it's not as cool, it's not as sexy. Whenever I make a video where I say I didn't take a trade, a lot of people just click off because all they want to see, which is fine. That's just how it goes. They want to see a trade, they want to see an execution, they want to see a win. Most of the time they want to see losses, when I don't trade, the people that want to see me win or lose, they don't get any of that, right? What else is another hard part? Well, my account here doesn't grow. It doesn't get any closer to my target. We've had 2 days this week where we didn't push a button. 2 days, right? We shouldn't have pushed buttons this day. I wish we didn't. We had a good day yesterday. And this month ends negative, right? I had to decide to end the month negative. I had to end an entire month of trading, October. October will go down, 2024, as me losing $380. That is giving me my title. Negative month, back-to-back negative months, the hardest part about trading. That's a good title. Because you need good titles whenever the day is boring. Otherwise, no one's going to watch. But yeah, so that's kind of how October went. I mean, today, yeah, the price action played out that way. And then I guess use the rest of this a little bit of time and just kind of go over the month and kind of go over a review. I'll go over my YouTube earnings. Maybe I'll just do that at the end of every month because until I have a reason not to show you guys how much money I make, I don't know. I don't know why people are cryptic about it. Maybe when I'm balling enough and I have enough money, maybe I'll understand because it seems like only rich people don't talk about their money, which I don't know. Who knows? But so I'll do that. I'll show you guys my monthly analytics on YouTube, and I feel like that's kind of cool to see, and then just a little monthly recap. So monthly recap, what could we have done better? Obviously, decent week, right? Horrible day, bad day, right? So terrible week here. Good week here, good loss, good wins, right? Good week, could have done better, right? During some of these days, we could have done better. Decent week, bad day, good day, no trading, good day, no trading, good day, right? Overall, the month really wasn't that bad. We just have some highlighted days that just really stand out here, right? Mainly these two. And that really shows you how 2 days out of the month can really just change the whole month, right? It can change the entire month. The landscape of this month would look a lot different if I didn't take this $300 loss here, and I only lost $200. So 300, so it would be up 80. And if I didn't lose 600 extra, we would be up around 500 on this month. So 2 days changed the entire month, which is very interesting to see. Also, what else are we? Yeah. I know that this day we could have done better. We were just trading against our bias and we got break-even plays. If I would have traded with my bias, the trade I would have taken would have worked fantastically well. That's another thing that I just need to be more conscious of and be more aware and be more patient with. I can't remember what happened this day. Oh, this day I didn't trade, and I accidentally got in and closed it. Okay, I remember that. So I wasn't even trading this day. So this was a really good week. I just went against my bias here and got break-even plays. And this was a loss and a win. So that's a very good day. But this day my second win was kind of revenge. So that's why I have everything documented on this YouTube. I'm going to go over this weekend on my own. It's not really the weekend, so we still have tomorrow, but it's the end of the month. It's Halloween. I thought I'd kind of just change it up from just the charts. It gets kind of boring, the same video overall. But yeah, so I'm going to go through this weekend and look through my videos and kind of see my the month, right, and see what happened really in depth, because that's why I do it. I have every single day of this entire month documented on YouTube so I can look back and see. So if you guys want to see what happened this day, and you guys want to see what happened this day, and you guys want to see this day, it's all there on YouTube. I can look at it too. That's why I do this. That's why I recommend everyone else should start YouTube channels if you're trading. But yeah, that's where we're at on the account. Kind of getting a reversal out of this low. ES is a lot lower, and then we'll go over our YouTube stats here. I want to see these lows get hunted eventually. I kind of wanted to see them left for tomorrow, but who knows really what happens. I mean, this is such a weird time in the market. And now we will pull up our YouTube analytics. Hopefully nothing. I'm going to move this over here just in case. I don't think anything comes up personal, but yeah. I hope nothing. Bear with me because I just want to make sure, just in case. Okay, I really just don't see anything that would be harmful to show you guys. Just didn't want any personal information. So if we go to the YouTube studio, let's change the custom time range to the 1st of October to the 31st. Guess I can't go to the 31st. Apply. Boom. This month we have generated 27,000 views, 2,000 watch hours, 263 subscribers, and $130. $130, baby. That means that I paid for my entire month of trading. My evaluation account was paid through YouTube, which I cannot thank you guys enough. That's just great because that means I'm trading for free, technically. Not really, but trading for free. And then that's $70 profit. So I've actually profited $70 this month from trading. And I've made more money on YouTube than I've made trading. So that's kind of sad, but yeah, I mean, as you guys can see, the drops during the weekends, but the view counts consistently around 2,000 views every 48 hours. And yeah, just doing well. If we compare it to the last month, let's see what happens last month. August, September. September we did $100, so we made $30 extra this month. It looks like we have a little bit more views. We've made less subscribers though. And let's see August. I wasn't monetized in August, so that's why I only made like $12, but I had a lot more subscribers in August, but right around the same views. So if you guys notice, I've actually got more watch hours. And then we do October. I have more watch hours, the same views actually. August, yeah, same views. I'll have more views this month because October 31st stats haven't come in. I have more watch hours by 1,000 or 100, and then I have like 100 less subscribers, which is fine, right? It's expected to happen, because why does that happen? I don't really know, honestly. I really don't know why that happens, but this is really cool. I wish I was monetized before this because I would have made another $130 this month, but we weren't monetized. And then if we go lifetime right here, we have $250 on the account. We've generated $250. So what's really interesting though is that this account, if we're averaging $100 a month, we're gonna make around $1,000 a year on this account, which is, I mean, that's not nothing. That pays for like maybe a little like mini vacation or like part of a vacation or a trip. So yeah, and I don't post YouTube shorts, so this is the only YouTube short I've ever posted. 2,000 views, that's why we have a massive spike there. I don't like posting shorts. As you guys know, I just don't post shorts. This is just when we had no traction on the account, so if anyone is curious about these stats, this is lifetime, right? No stats right here, 2 views a day, 0 views a day, 2 views a day. Boom, short was posted. Doesn't do anything for you long term. 0 views, 25 views, 0 views. Look at the days we had 0 views, 1 views, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0. That's why when you guys hear me say thank you for the views and like the watching stuff like that, you've got to realize that this was months and months and months of posting almost every single day, and it was 0 views, 1 view, 2 views, 3 views. So when I'm averaging, when I'm hitting days where I hit of long form content 2,000 views, 1,700. These are days of 1,700 views in one day, right? That was more than I got the entire like weeks combined. Yeah, I probably posted shorts here. Like these are definitely shorts, and then maybe one video did well, and then we started picking up some traction on long form right here, and then this is where just everything changed, and I don't know why. I don't think I did anything differently. I think I don't know. I have no idea what happened, and ever since then we've been going steady. But when I don't post, my account's dead, which is not like a normal YouTube channel, but because I post daily content, daily reviews, it makes sense. It's trading. People aren't going to watch a trading recap from 5 weeks ago all the time, right? It's going to be random. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. As you can see, when I was first starting to gain subscribers, I got like some days where I would get 45 subscribers in a day. That was my most ever. That's really crazy, 45 there. 46 actually is my most ever, my bad. But yeah, we haven't seen those biggest spikes in a while. We got this October 5th, 30 subscribers in a day. That was the last time we got a ton. 18, and now we're kind of steadying like 15, sometimes 0. But we seem to average around like 5 to 15 on average, or 5 to 10 on average. Again, obviously weekends just don't do that well. Oh, Thursday didn't do that well actually. Friday 18, so it's really kind of interesting. But this is when everything was starting to go really well, and we were growing really, really quick. and we still see growth, but it's not as crazy, right? And I have no idea really why that happens. Our watch hours are being more consistent, right? Like we had 200 watch hours on October 5th. I think that's when I posted the Blasian interview. Yeah, October 5th. That makes sense, right? That was a good video. And yeah, these are my best performing videos. This is short, so it doesn't really even count. I wish I could get rid of that. Boom, 2,400. So we had one really, really good video, and that just grew and grew and grew. Almost 13,000 views, which is sick. And yeah, I mean, I've broken 2,000 views on other videos one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, almost 5 times. So it's hard to get over 2,000 views on my account. And this is short, so I've only done it in 3 real videos, which is pretty interesting. But I'm really happy with my view count. Don't get me wrong. We have 1.6 million impressions. I mean, this is just crazy stuff. I find this stuff interesting. You guys probably don't care about this stuff at all. Okay. I'll get to these comments later. Shout out to everyone that's sitting on these. I will reply to them. But yeah, dude. Hopefully I didn't leak anything. But yeah, really cool. See the live sub count. It's not going to change while we're sitting here, more than likely. But 2,146. This is crazy. And I really do appreciate you guys that watch the videos. I would love to keep, like, I love growing the account. Obviously, it makes me money. But I don't really know how, because I'm not going to lie. If you guys get into posting videos, you are going to get affected by seeing numbers, right? When I post a video and it says, like yesterday, I mean, this video, like, again, this is not bad. 600 views is not bad at all by any means, but when I'm averaging 1,000 views, 800 views, like when a video bombs per se, like you definitely think about it, right? I maybe, like, to what extent, I couldn't tell you, but like I definitely think about it. I'm like, like this kind of sucks. But like when it says, 130 less than usual, and it has like a down arrow, like mentally it's like, dang, like this is annoying. But that being said, I don't really, like, I want to keep growing my account because it's fun, right? You get addicted to seeing the numbers, right? I love seeing 1,000 views, 800 views, 1,000 views, 1,000 views. Like, it's fun. It's interesting to me. And it makes me money. But I don't really know how my content can get better. I guess, like I'm not trying to change my content because I like that just organic and normal, but it is interesting. Like, I wonder what I could do to increase viewership but not be just posting dumb stuff, right? I don't want to be posting some, get ready with me type, like, not, no one does that. That's a joke, but I don't want to be posting, just cringy stuff just to try and, like, get views. So I guess I'm just gonna have to be happy with whatever I get because this is the content I'm posting. I don't edit any video. I don't edit thumbnails. So I guess I just have to be completely happy with what I'm given, and I am. But just like trading, you want more. When you post on YouTube, you're going to want more views. You're going to want whatever, especially when it gives you money, right? The better a video does for me, the more money I make, right? I can make around $7 on a good video. Like, a video that does well in views, I'm making $6 to $7, right? That's $6, $7 I didn't have, and I'm doing these videos anyways. So it definitely plays on your mind, but I think, honestly, my channel will start doing better when I start trading better, right? So that's kind of what I tell myself, is that when I'm a better trader, more people are going to watch and they're going to care more. And then when I'm making money, people are going to just be like, oh, like, that's cool. He's got a payout. So I think that I just can't worry about the YouTube stuff because, realistically, no one really wants to watch someone that doesn't make payouts anyway. So it makes sense that I would get less views than, like someone that makes a lot of money trading, right? Someone that makes 10, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month trading, they're going to pull more views than me. And that's how the game works, right? But I'm a trader first, YouTuber second. But I think YouTube's great. I think YouTube's really, really fun. And this is the first time in my life I've ever done something. That's a lie. I made money on TikTok back in the day. But this is one of the first times where it seems more consistent and more like longevity based. Like, I could actually see YouTube, like, doing YouTube for a while. And just getting a paycheck every month from YouTube is really crazy. To think that, I'm just making videos. I was making videos And I mean, I was making videos forever, right? Not forever. I mean, there's people that have been posting on YouTube for longer than me, but when we look at the lifetime stats, I mean, I was posting for a long time. Like I started my account January 19th, no views for the first basically month. A short got some views, nothing, no traction, right? January 20th, let's say we started there, and then we got to June. So January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months where this curve, minus a few shorts, I got no views. So the fact that I've made $250 from YouTube, obviously time-wise, yeah, $250 for almost an entire year of YouTube, that's not any money, right? But it just still blows my mind that I made any money from YouTube. And that we have 127,000 views. If we get rid of the short form content, we have 11,000 short forms. So overall, videos, we have 113,000. We have over 100,000 views on long form videos. That is mind blowing. So I really appreciate you guys always watching the videos. This is like my month review. My month review. And yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. I probably will trade tomorrow. It really depends on where the charts are at. But yeah, I really am just focused on getting better at trading, and then maybe that turns into more viewers in the future, hopefully. But again, I'm trying to become a trader. I want to make all my money trading. So if I never make $1 from YouTube ever again, that hopefully is fine, because that's not what I'm going to be living off of. But while I'm not making money trading, it is a nice little bonus in my pocket. I cannot lie. So I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys have a fun Halloween. Let me know what you guys are doing for Halloween, what costumes you guys are going to wear, if you guys are doing any party or anything. I don't think I'm doing anything for Halloween this year. Probably just chill, maybe pass out some candy and watch the Jets game. So yeah, kind of boring for me, but let me know what you guys got. I know that you guys got some creative costumes you're going to wear and stuff like that. So I appreciate the support again, like always. And it's weird because I'm talking to absolutely no one right now, in terms of like I'm talking to a camera in my room. And it's also weird too because I talk like I have 100,000 subscribers, right? Or 1 million subscribers. But and again, I'm not discrediting anyone that watch my videos, but it kind of blows my mind that there's any audience, and it's kind of funny. Like when I really think about what I'm doing, because when I first started, I would talk as if someone was listening, but I knew nobody was watching the videos. And now like people actually watch and listen to what I say, and it's weird. It's a weird crossover because like again, when I started making videos, I would talk to the camera as if someone was listening, knowing nobody watched my videos, and now I talk to the camera because I know people are listening, right? It's just weird, right? It's just kind of weird. So, I'm not going to keep going. I hope you guys have a great Halloween, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.